Picture this. You're standing in the TSA line watching someone struggle with a bulky passport holder, fumbling with an ancient power bank that's about to die, and dragging a two-wheeled suitcase that keeps tipping over. That used to be me, but after years of travel mistakes and countless airport disasters, I've completely revolutionized my packing strategy for 2026. Today I'm sharing 13 travel items that are absolutely sabotaging your trips and the game-changing alternatives that will transform how you travel forever. Before we dive in, if you're someone who wants to travel smarter, not harder, make sure to stick around because item number 7 alone could save you half your suitcase space. And item 13 might just prevent you from becoming a pickpocket victim in your next destination. Let's start with something that affects every single traveler, but hardly anyone talks about it openly. Anti-chafing tubes and lubricants for preventing skin irritation during long travel days. Whether you're dealing with eye chafing during those endless airport walks or uncomfortable rubbing from clothing during extended flights, these tubes are messy, take up precious liquid allowance space, and honestly, there's a much better solution. Instead, I now pack lightweight slip shorts that work like second skin under any outfit. These aren't your grandmother's bulky shapewear. Modern slip shorts are practically invisible, don't cling to your legs, and solve the chafing problem completely, while serving double duty as comfortable underwear for your entire trip. Size up one size from your normal fit for maximum comfort, and you'll wonder why you ever bother with those sticky tubes. Moving on to item number 2, and this might be controversial. Passport booklet holders and covers need to go. I know they look cute and organized, and yes, they do provide some protection for your passport. But here's what nobody tells you. TSA agents require you to remove your passport from these holders anyway, which creates an extra step and potential fumbling moment right when you need to be efficient. Here's my streamlined passport system instead. First, keep your passport in an easily accessible outer pocket, only while going through security. Once you're through, immediately transfer it to a zipped interior pocket of your personal item bag. In hotels, always use a room safe. But here's the game changer. Photograph both the inside cover and back barcode of your passport with your phone. Then lock these images in your phone's Secure Notes app. This gives you backup documentation without carrying physical copies that could also be lost or stolen. Third on my never fly with list is your regular daily wallet stuffed with every card you own. These wallets are not only bulky and take up unnecessary space, but they're also security nightmares. Your credit cards actually contain more personal information than your passport, making them prime targets for thieves and electronic skimmers. Switch to a minimalist RFID blocking wallet with just 3 to 4 card slots. The RFID protection shields your cards from electronic skimming devices that criminals use to steal card information wirelessly. Pro tip: attach a small retractable cord from your travel purse to your wallet. This prevents that heart-stopping moment when you accidentally drop your wallet while reaching into your bag in crowded tourist areas. Fourth, let's talk about portable chargers and power banks. The old models are not just outdated, they're potentially dangerous. We all know power banks are combustible and banned from checked luggage, but older models lack crucial safety features that could prevent overheating incidents. Newer power bank models include built-in temperature monitoring systems that prevent the battery from overheating beyond safe limits. Look for reputable brands that will notify you of any recalls. Some newer models even include phone stands and faster charging capabilities. Always research any recalls before traveling, as even trusted brands occasionally have safety issues that require immediate attention. Number 5 might hurt some feelings, but duffel bags without wheels are torture devices disguised as luggage. Airport terminals can stretch for miles, and carrying a heavy duffel bag, even crossbody style, will destroy your neck, shoulders, and back before your vacation even begins. Rolling duffel bags or rolling backpacks solve this completely. They count as your carry-on suitcase, fit in overhead bins, and eliminate physical strain. You can still carry your normal personal item bag while effortlessly rolling your main luggage through those endless terminals. 6, and this might trigger some debate, but 2-wheel carry-on luggage needs to retire. 4-wheeled spinner suitcases are infinitely superior for modern travel. You can maneuver them into airplane lavatories with ease, navigate airplane aisles without constantly lifting and adjusting, and they stand upright independently. The convenience factor alone makes this upgrade worthwhile. 7th, those massive one-and-done makeup travel cases are suitcase space thieves. They encourage overpacking and take up nearly half your luggage capacity for items you probably don't need for a week or 2 away from home. Instead, use modular toiletry systems with separate compartments for different categories. You can distribute items between your personal bag and carry on as needed. Here's a reality check. Your skin won't dramatically change during a 2-week vacation. Focus on essential items and leave the elaborate routines at home. 8. Packing multiple bulky shoes for every possible scenario is amateur hour. Wear your heaviest shoes on the plane to save suitcase weight and space. If you need athletic shoes, choose waterproof options that handle multiple situations. Quality arch support insoles can transform basic sneakers into comfortable walking shoes, eliminating the need for specialized footwear for every activity. 9. Flowing outer garments like ponchos and loose capes are airplane nightmares. They get tangled in your luggage, flow into other passenger spaces, and create obstacles when navigating tight airplane seats, especially during overnight flights when you might need to climb over sleeping passengers. Fitted layers like merino wool or cashmere sweaters provide warmth without the bulk and complications. They pack smaller and eliminate the constant adjustment and repositioning that flowing garments require. 10. Non-compressible neck pillows are space wasters unless they actually work. Most standard U-shaped pillows fail to provide real support and take up significant carry-on space. For long-neck travelers, Invest in pillows with strong Velcro straps that attach to seat headrests, preventing your head from falling forward during sleep. 4 side sleepers. Wrap around neck braces with cradling support actually work. Avoid inflatable versions as they lose pressure during long flights, becoming useless when you need them most. 11. Voltage converters for international travel are bulky and often unnecessary. You only need converters for high wattage American appliances like hair dryers and curling irons that can't handle international voltage differences. Instead, buy dual voltage versions of essential styling tools. They work worldwide with simple plug adapters, eliminating bulky converters entirely. This is especially crucial for specialty tools like specific barrel curling irons that might not be available in your destination country. 12. Regular headphones require protective cases that consume precious personal item space. The hard shell cases necessary to protect them are bulky and awkward to pack and access. Wireless earbuds solve this completely. They're compact, don't require cases, and provide superior convenience. Always pack a tangle-free cord backup in case you fall asleep during flights or drop an earbud in dark airplane cabins. Finally, 13. Hidden money belts create dangerous security vulnerabilities. When you need access cards or cash in high-risk tourist areas, you're taking your eyes off your surroundings for extended periods while fumbling with hidden compartments. This extended distraction is exactly what pickpockets and thieves look for. Instead, distribute your financial resources strategically. Keep one credit card in an easily accessible RFID blocking wallet in your slash-resistant crossbody bag for quick transactions. In your slash-resistant crossbody bag for quick transactions. Store backup cards separately in a lanyard-style passport holder that stays hidden unless absolutely necessary. Use wallet tracking devices that look like credit cards but allow you to locate your wallet via smartphone if it's stolen. Criminals typically don't recognize these as tracking devices. The key to smart travel in 2026 is eliminating unnecessary bulk, reducing security vulnerabilities, and choosing multifunctional items that serve multiple purposes. Every item in your luggage should earn its space through functionality and convenience. These 13 swaps will revolutionize your travel experience by reducing stress, improving security, and maximizing your luggage efficiency. Modern travel requires modern solutions, and clinging to outdated gear only makes your journeys more difficult and potentially dangerous. Remember, the goal isn't just to pack lighter, it's to travel smarter. Each of these alternatives addresses real problems that affect your comfort, security, and enjoyment during travel. Test these solutions before your next major trip, and I guarantee you'll never go back to the old ways. What's your biggest travel packing mistake that you've learned from? Share your experiences in the comments, and let's help each other become better travelers. And if this helped you rethink your packing strategy, make sure to subscribe for more practical travel tips that actually make a difference on your next adventure.